Do you want to learn how to make money with your Cricut machine? That's what I'm here for. Check this out. I'm going to do a 2-color custom tumbler with some really cool adhesive vinyl. So first thing I'm going to do is create the design in the Design Space software. I'm going to load my ColorSpark color changing dragon fruit and then my ColorSpark reflective white adhesive vinyl. Once I weed these out, I'm going to go ahead and layer them. My ColorSpark medium grid application tape. Drop it on my first layer, squeegee it. Then I'm going to use my parchment paper between it, form a hinge on the right-hand side, drop it down, and I have a perfect 2-color design. We're going to apply this to our Save a Cup tumbler, and then we have a finished custom tumbler ready for that customer. Now, if you want a full tutorial video on how to do this, I have it on the YouTube channel. The link is in the bio right here on TikTok, and I break down all of the pricing as far as how much money you will make on a custom tumbler like this. Make sure to follow. Make sure to check out that link. We'll see you soon.